is it reverses all the true and false values. So reverses true and false values. And you'll find that all these operations are really just some way to manipulate the true and false values. But they do also happen to have, an English phrasing representation, because they are, common in everyday usage, though they're not commonly used correctly. So an example of negation. So for example, if we have the phrase X is a dog, and then assume that this is precise enough so that we can judge whether each X is a dog or not, and then we send it through negation, then we get the phrase X is not a dog. So anytime that X was a dog before, so anytime this was true, for whichever X it was true, it'll now be false. Okay, because if it was a dog, then X is not a dog is now a false statement. So if it was true before, it's false now, and if it was false before, it's true now. Notice how it really just takes the value false to true and true to false. To work through a few examples of what negation actually does, because I think some people do get negation confused with some other operations that are not logical operations, like the opposite. Like everyone says it's the opposite. So maybe it's the logical opposite, but like what is the opposite of saying X is white? It might be to say X is black, but that's not the negation. So if the sentence, if the statement was X is white, right? Then if you negate it, it's not X is black. Okay, it's X is not white. Or everyone likes cars. What's the negation of everyone likes cars? It's certainly not no one likes cars. Okay, so that could tempt you if you were thinking it was the opposite. But the negation of everyone likes cars, well, is every person likes the car. Well, it's just not every person likes the car, so someone doesn't like cars. Okay, so I hope you're getting the idea for what negation is. No one likes fees. Not everyone. It's not saying not everyone likes fees. It's saying everyone does not like fees. That's the same, right? So that the negation of that is someone likes fees. This is not even one, and now so for negation, it might be good to remember that a statement and its negation is meant to cover all the possibilities. So like white and not white is covering all the possible colors, as opposed to white and black